In this video, I want to explain you how to get your new Rogue on the Solana chain. So you already have Rogue token on the Arbitrum or on the Rogue chain, but we will create new Rogue token on the Solana chain. So you have to connect your existing wallet address to a new Solana wallet address, and I want to explain you how to do that in this video. For that, you have to go to roguetrader.io. I will provide a link under the video. If you connect to the page, you will see the first site here, and then you have to go right back to token. There you see the countdown for the Rogue token sale. And then we scroll down all the way to this button here, check your migration airdrop. Click on that. And there you see the explanation. So we have had 100 billion Rogue token, but we will create 1 billion on the Solana chain. So we get an airdrop of 100 to 1 for 100 Rogue token. For the old 100 Rogue token, we get 1 new Rogue token on the Solana chain. To get the connection, we have got 2 possibilities, and I want to explain you the first one, which might be easier, and it's even working on the mobile. So you can download the Solana wallet on a mobile or on the desktop. In this case, you have to do it with Phantom. Yeah. So I want to disconnect here. Here's you just connect your wallet to the page, yeah, and if you click on here connect, it opens up a pop-up, and then it says Phantom, Solar Flare or Backpack. We use Phantom in this case, and then you have to sign a message here, and then you are connected. If you use that on the mobile, yeah, you just install the Phantom wallet, and then you use the browser in the Phantom wallet. Yeah, you have to copy the link into the browser, and then you start, and you get also the connection. So the first way you're going to do that is if you have already installed Phantom, or you creating a new Phantom wallet. It's the same, doesn't matter. You go here and import your recovery phrase. Yeah, click on that, and you import your 12 words from the recovery phrase from your Metamask wallet to the Phantom wallet. Just fill it in here, and then you have a new wallet. Just connect the wallet like I showed before, and do it once again. Yeah, choose the right wallet, and then just sign a message. And now you have hit the button here, connect EVM Wallet. And with all your Rogue token, they are already in this Phantom wallet, in this created or reinstalled wallet. You just connect here. Sorry again, just connect here, and then there comes just a signature. We confirm that, and the new created Phantom account or wallet with all the Rogue token in it they will show up here. Yeah, so you see the Rogue token on the Arbitrum chain. I don't have anything here. You see the Rogue token on the Rogue chain. Just got here for the testing 100, and you also see the LP token. If you have Rogue, you have sent Rogue into the bankroll, it will also show up here now, multiplied with 6.64. So, and this is all counted together. So we just have here in this wallet 100, and the distribution or the airdrop of the new Rogue will be 100 to 1. So that's the first possibility, and might be the easier one because it's also working perfectly on the mobile. So just download the Phantom wallet, reinstall it with your seed phrase from the wallet, from the Metamask wallet, where all your Rogue token are on. If you have more than one wallet, just send it all there to one wallet, and then use this seed phrase and connect it with this new Phantom wallet. The second way, which is just working on desktop, is originally thought of the connection, and it's just working if you have also the Metamask wallet in the same browser. So make sure you open up the Metamask wallet and grant the permission that the page can access to the wallet, to this account. Yeah, you can also use several accounts, but I will show you just a minute. So we are connected with our Solana wallet, and now we fill in or connect to the EVM wallet. So just get an error because I'm clicking around so much. So, but it should work. And then it open up Metamask, and we just confirm that, and then our wallet address will show up here with all the Rogue token in it. So just got a little bit Rogue here, that's 49, and the Rogue chain, but also got here LP token with 45, which is added up to 350, and that will lead to 3.5. And if we want to connect another EVM wallet, it's no problem at all. We just switch on the Metamask to another wallet, let's say here, and we just make sure that you are connected here. Just out here again, and so we connect here. Okay, we got an error again. Now it worked very well. So we have here 38 million, which will lead up to 383. We can also connect another wallet. So that's no problem. You can also connect several wallets to this account. So I'll use this one here, and this is the pop-up. Yeah, just click here to connect it, that the page has access to your account, and then you can also add another wallet here, which is all added up to the new Rogue airdrop. So yeah, that's it for connecting your EVM wallet to get the airdrop of the new Rogue token. I hope it's all working for you very well. If not, just ask the several questions, but first look at this video. I think it will explain most of the questions. Thank you.